CrystalDiskInfo is open, but your SSD isn't showing up. Don't worry, the problem may not actually be CrystalDiskInfo itself. In this guide, we'll check whether Windows can see the drive, refresh the hardware detection, and go through a few common fixes. So let's troubleshoot it step by step. First, let's see if Windows can detect the SSD. Right-click the Start button and open Disk Management. You can also search for Disk Management from the Start menu. Look through the list for your SSD and check whether it appears there, even if it doesn't have a drive letter. If the SSD appears in Disk Management, check its status. It might be online, offline, uninitialized, or simply missing a drive letter. If it's offline, you can right-click the disk and choose Online. But be careful with options like Initialize or Format, especially if the SSD already contains important files. Next, open Device Manager from the Start menu. Look under Disk Drives and see whether your SSD is listed. If you notice a warning icon, open the Device Properties and check the device status. Windows provides specific error information here when a hardware device or driver has a problem. If the SSD isn't appearing correctly, try refreshing the hardware list. In Device Manager, open the Action menu and select Scan for hardware changes. Give Windows a moment to detect the hardware again. Yeah, this simple refresh can sometimes bring a previously missing device back. Now restart your computer. A restart can reload the storage controller and its drivers. After Windows starts again, open CrystalDiskInfo and check the drive list. If the SSD appears in Windows but still doesn't appear in CrystalDiskInfo, continue with the next checks. If Windows and CrystalDiskInfo still can't see the SSD, check your computer's BIOS or UEFI. Restart the PC and enter the firmware setup using the key shown by your computer manufacturer. Look for the storage or NVMe information and see whether the SSD is detected there. If it isn't, the issue may be related to the connection, slot, firmware, or hardware. For a desktop PC, if the SSD is still missing from BIOS, power the computer down and check the physical connection. For an NVMe drive, make sure it's properly seated in its slot. For a SATA SSD, check both the data and power connections. If you're not comfortable opening the computer, it's safer to have a technician check it. Once Windows detects the SSD normally, open CrystalDiskInfo again and check the drive information. And if the drive is still missing everywhere, you may be dealing with a hardware or compatibility issue rather than a CrystalDiskInfo problem.